Hi guys, this is Blanca here, and today I want to tell you about a cool program I have been using for some time. It's called WiseStamp, and it enables you to create an awesome email signature inside Gmail and other web-based email platforms. Here are some examples of what you can get, what it looks like, different signatures. Now you can either use it for free, so I'll just click to let it open in a new panel to let you see what it looks like. Right, so it's pretty easy. You just put in your signature details here, like name, company title, address, whatever. This is the preview, right? You can change your picture or logo. The shape can be a square with round corners, or just a regular square, or a circle. You can choose the color theme or different template. You can add your social profiles. There's a ton of them, as you can see, or you can even add your own icon. So you can add anything from Pinterest to YouTube to whatever, Blogger even. Right, there are some extras, applications here, banner, latest tweet, LinkedIn follow. The only thing is that there is going to be a WiseStamp branding line at the bottom, and if you want to get that removed, you need to upgrade. As I said, you can use it with Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail and AOL. I grabbed it because I'm using Gmail also for my work related email, so I've been looking for something like this for ages, and I stumbled across it just by chance, and I'm very happy with it. Right, so that's the signature preview, and after you're done, you just click OK, I'm done, and you copy paste it wherever you need. So that's the free version. Now the paid one removes the branded line. It costs about $4 a month. So it's not that bad, and you get unlimited signatures, premium templates. There's no branding, as I've said, custom social icons, priority support, and also reply and forward signatures. There's also a solution for teams and organizations. I didn't look into that because I'm a sole business owner, so I'm using WiseStamp myself only. That's WiseStamp, and I wanted to show you what it looks like. You can log in with Facebook or regular email, whatever. I wanted to show you what it looks like inside the editor. I already have a signature done. As you can see, this is what it looks like. These are my details. I didn't put in any title because I'm not using any. Right, and I haven't got any phone because I'm using my mobile. So as you can see, it's exactly the same as you have seen in the free version, but there is no branding line at the bottom because I've got the paid version. Right. Also, you need for the app to work, you need to install WiseStamp in your browser. Right now we are grandparents, so it is asking me to install. But when I log into my work email, as I'll show you right now, it's working. So when I click on a new message, you see, come on, move. Oh, you won't move. Right, you'll see that the signature appears here automatically, so it works just fine. And if I wanted to change it anyhow, I'll just pop in back here, change whatever I need, click OK, I'm done, and then the changes automatically appear in my email. So if you are into nice, cool looking email signatures, just go for it. You won't regret it. It's really cool. Whether the free version or the paid one, decide and pick whichever one you need.